Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Bank of Jamaica says there was a US $9.3 million uptick in net remittance flows to US $2.9 billion during the fiscal year to date March 2024 to February 2025. The result is that net remittances, the difference between inflows and outflows, climbed by 2.1% to US $238 million in February of this year when compared with the same month last year. Investors can gear up for passive income from 3 listed companies. A.S. Bryden and Sons Holdings Limited has declared a dividend of 0.01323 Trinidad and Tobago cents per share payable on July 31, 2025 to shareholders on record as at July 3, 2025. Lasco Manufacturing Limited has declared an interim dividend of 19 Jamaican cents per share payable on July 24, 2025 to shareholders on record as at July 1, 2025. Lasco Distributors Limited has declared an interim dividend of 12 Jamaican cents per share payable on July 24, 2025 to shareholders on record as at July 1, 2025. For the trading period ending June 18, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll Road Manager Trans Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,423,328 units traded, representing 18.05% of market sales volume. International poultry producer Jamaica Broilers Group with 2,411,581 units traded, representing 17.96% of market sales volume. Gas station and auto fuel distributor Regency Petroleum Company Limited with 1,512,479 units traded, representing 11.27% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 18, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $50.69 million purchased and US $46.07 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.64 per dollar, selling the US at $160.57 and buying the US at $158.56. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 92 cents per transaction, with selling at $117.81 and buying at $117.39. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.07 in profit, with selling at $217.42 and buying at $210.58. For our credit report tip of the day, every founder's journey is shaped by the choices they make and the doors they dare to open. So your credit score isn't just a number, it's a reflection of your dedication, resilience, and vision. By nurturing your financial health, you're not only building a foundation for your business, but also inspiring confidence in those who believe in your dream. Remember, every step you take to strengthen your credit brings you closer to the investors and opportunities that can help you turn your ambition into reality. Given that running a business is a team sport, in addition to your credit score, getting pitch coaching will help you craft compelling, concise pitches that resonate with investors and highlight your financial strength. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.